Today here because of some party organs. We did disobey our national working committee because they don't collect money. So we did here because we want to win election. So we want to correct the wrongs and make us there.
What will be the next step now since we don't take over the Secretariat? What do we want?
We want the National Working Committee may they look into Edo State matter. Because the State Working Committee, we hear say they go do meeting with opposition. We don't fair to tell them before. So the performance and the behavior where they behave now, for the legal result they go to announce hide. So it shows say not true, say what we the year before, say we collect money for opposition, say not true.
As a leader of the party, who will be the actual real winner of the primaries?
Now, Honorable Dennis Idahosa. Election, INEC supervisor. They'll go INEC portal. They'll go check the result of the day. So you know who really won the election.
Candidate, if we are doing election, if it's only one person that will emerge. Out of 100, it's only one person that will emerge. Yes. One person have emerged, the election was conducted peacefully. Even when they try to go on all other cockaboo primary, we did not allow them. With the youth, we are telling you this is our time. And the youth has emerged. Anybody that's going to change it with the youth, we will resist him. Yes. And I want to send my message to the National Working Committee. If you people in State Working Committee can disobey the National Working Committee, they need to be suspended from the party. Yes. If that is not done, nobody will come to this office. Because party is supreme.
Yes. West side.
We all voted with our registration. Yes. We cast our vote for Dennis Idahosa. Since they are trying to sabotage the youth, we will not allow it. And I'm a youth leader, for God's sake.
Yes, sir.
The person that just won this primary is just 43 years.
Yes.
Youth o'clock. This is what we have been crying for.
Yes.
Abba, give me my...